Hi everyone, this is Alan Stockdale again, continuing my training videos. In this one, I just want to start actually giving you some advice how to actually build a website. Now, before I start showing you how to do that, you've got to realise that I actually use a website package called Homestead. With that, you get a full package all into one. You can actually have your website, you get your hosting, you get everything. You can register your domain, everything all in one place, so it makes it a lot more simple to actually build your websites. It's a lot user friendly, sorry. It's all push button stuff. You don't have to know a lot about coding, only if you go for the advanced stuff, but just for the time being you don't need to use that at all. But what I will say to you is, if you're watching this on YouTube or my blog, there'll be a link. If you're on YouTube, on your right hand side, there'll be a link on there somewhere for the homestead, to get the homestead package. You can click on that, and if you want to actually make websites like I'm going to show you on these videos, that's the one you need to press on. If you're on my blog, obviously there'll be a link on there somewhere. So now I just want to get started. Let's just assume that you've actually bought your homestead package, and by the way, you can get packages from as little as $5 a month, $5 a month, up to I think I pay $25 a month for mine. I get unlimited pages, so I do recommend that you go for one of the gold packages, because they're definitely worth it. Once you've actually signed into your account, this will all be explained about homestead, etc. This will be the first screen you see when you actually start wanting to build a website. Now, this up here, that's the actual name of your to name your website. I'll actually name this build a website, just for purposes of training you. One of the first things what I always do when I'm making a page is I always start by pressing the letter T on here, and this gives you a box what you can expand, and you can write any text in it, anything you want. But a little trick I found is to actually get one of these boxes when you first start making a website, put it to the top, just expand it to the side. Don't have to be exact, because the way Homestead's built, it doesn't really matter. So you want it to about that size. Now what you're going to do, you come on this side here, and it says border thickness. Press on that, put about number 5, and then that'll give that a border. Right, so you're in control of this space inside the black square. Now you need to pick some colours, what you want your website to be. So this is entirely of your own choosing. So just for this, we'll have orange. So press on orange. That makes all that orange there. Now what you need to do is, when you're making your website, you need it to stand out. So you want the background to be dark. So all I've done, if I press on that, these little blue line comes along here, and you're basically editing that part. If you put your cursor across and press on there, you're actually editing this part. And back to here, it says background again, colour. Now I'm going to go for black to make it stand out, so press onto black, and as you can see, that's changed all that to black. Right to the top. Now these buttons here, you're on edit mode at the moment because you're editing your website. If you want to see what it's going to look like when it's on the web, you need to press preview. So you press preview, and that's what your website will look like when it's live. So go back down here again, press edit. That gets back to what you want to do. Now let's say you want to put a title on your website. You go to the T again, that's for text. Press that, bring it across like that with your cursor. So all you do is put your cursor on there, left button, and it moves it about. Go inside there, press your left button again, delete that by pressing the backspace button or delete button. Now what should we put? We'll put welcome to my website. And as you see, I've put a capital at the beginning of each letter again, just like I was explaining in the AdWords. Right, now you want to change that, you want to make it bigger. Now to do that, you press your left button on your mouse, you drag it across until it highlights it like that. Now once you've highlighted your text, then you can actually make it bigger, change the font. To do that, you go over this side of the screen here, it says font, press that and pick a font. Now I personally like Georgia a lot, so I use that a lot. So that changes it to Georgia. This is your font size. Now if you're going for a title, you want something quite big, It goes all the way up to 72, but that's way too big in my opinion, so we'll try 36. That look not too bad. You can press that one there, that makes it lean forward. You can have it bold like that, take bold off. You can have it underlined with that, centralise it with this. So what I'll do now is I go to the side here, see the two lines come on. That means you can stretch it out to try and get it all on one line if you want. Go to that side, wait till those lines come on like that, stretch it out, and centralise it. Right, and just click anywhere outside the box. There you go, welcome to my website. Right, some other features it's got. If you want to put a photo on it, press on there, add image, press that. Now it's asking you here, do you want to get it from your computer? Right, so you press on the computer, and then this will take you into your computer. Basically, you've got to pick a file and put something on it. So I'm going to go to me drive because I know there's some pictures on here. We'll have a picture of me. We'll have that one. So all you do, press on it, left hand button. It comes on there. Take across. Press open. There it is. Straight on. Now shrink it in. Go to the corner there like that. Press your left hand on the mouse, and you can drag it across upwards like that, in and out, in and out. So I'll have that photo there. My ugly mug. Right, I don't want to go into too much detail on this one because I want to take it one step at a time. All I'll tell you what to do now is you need to save your progress and then publish it. So at the top here where it says save, press that, and because you've only just started making this website, it's going to ask you what you want to call it. Now it's only what you're going to put in this box is only going to be on your website. So for instance, it's called build your website /homestead.com/ whatever you're going to put in here. So I'm just going to put number 1, press that, that's done. Press publish, press that there. That's it, done. Let's give it time to check in the quota, loading it up. Now this should be going on live on the web very shortly. Just about to do it now. There it is. Right, so that's it for this video. So I'll see you shortly with some more, showing some more things that you can do on it. Bye bye.